Welcome to JEE's classes. Today we are exploring the Aldol condensation reaction in organic chemistry. Step 1. Enolate formation. The Aldol condensation reaction begins with the removal of an alpha hydrogen from a ketone molecule by a strong base such as hydroxide. This forms a reactive enolate ion which is stabilized by resonance. The hydroxide ion abstracts the alpha hydrogen, resulting in the formation of a water molecule. Step 2. Nucleophilic attack. The enolate ion acting as a nucleophile attacks the electrophilic carbonyl carbon of an aldehyde molecule. This results in a nucleophilic addition reaction, forming an intermediate alkoxide ion. The alkoxide ion is stabilized by the negative charge on the oxygen atom. Step 3. Protonation. Finally, the alkoxide ion undergoes protonation by a water molecule, forming a beta hydroxy ketone also known as the Aldol product. The protonation step is facilitated by the presence of hydroxide ion which acts as a base. The resulting beta hydroxy ketone is the final product of the Aldol condensation reaction. That's all for Aldol condensation. Thanks for watching. If you have any questions or topics you would like me to cover, please leave a comment below. Don't forget to like, subscribe and share with your friends. We'll see you in the next video.